55-year-old Powai high-rise guard has been sentenced to 3 years of rigorous imprisonment by a special POCSO court. Now, the convicted has been accused of sexually assaulting a 6-year-old boy last January. The father of the victim had filed a case on January 30, 2016. The watchman himself is shockingly a father of 2. Richa Sharma gets us more details.
A special POCSO court on Friday, that is 20th of January 2017, convicted and sentenced a 55-year-old watchman of a Powai high-rise to 3 years of rigorous imprisonment for sexually assaulting a 6-year-old boy repeatedly, who used to come and visit his maternal grandparents to this building and high-rise. The main accused in this case, Gopal himself, is the father of 2 children, and the case was lodged by the 6-year-old boy's father last year on 30th of January 2016, after which the mother, who was the first one in whom the 6-year-old confided about this incident, caught hold of the watchman along with the help of the society members before he could escape, and after which a police case was lodged at this Parkside police station, and the main 6 witnesses in this case included the father, the child, as well as a woman who was an eyewitness, the main eyewitness in this case, which gathered a lot of evidence for the court to actually convict this watchman, in this case Gopal Karki. Apart from this, the court also said that such incidences should roll out in the society as an example, because in the recent past a lot of these incidences have been taking place against small children who are the main and primary target of sexual offences recently, and they should stop very soon. This is Richa Sharma for Magic Bricks Now.
तो एक वॉचमैन था एक बिल्डिंग का, वो बिल्डिंग के एरिया में एक लड़का, पार्किंग स्लॉट है वहाँ पे, एक लड़का साइकिल खेल रहा था। तो साइकिल खेलते वक्त बस वो लड़के का रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन को ये वॉचमैन ने हाथ लगाया था। ऐसा एक केस था। और ये बात वहाँ पे एक बाजू में एक बिल्डिंग है, वो बिल्डिंग के लेडी ने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखी थी, आई विटनेस थी वो ये केस में। बाद में वो लड़की के पिताजी वहाँ पर आए, उसकी माँ भी आई, और पुलिस स्टेशन में वो वॉचमैन को पकड़ के लाए थे। वहाँ के जो सोसाइटी के लोग हैं, जो दूसरे लोग हैं, वो यहाँ पर आने के बाद देखा हमने, पूरा उनका स्टेटमेंट लिया, लड़के के पिताजी का स्टेटमेंट लिया। लड़का 6-7 साल का था उस वक्त। तो पिताजी ने जैसी हकीकत बोली वैसे ही वो हमने यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड पे ली, उनका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड करके यहाँ पर एफआईआर दाखिल किया। उसमें पोस्को 8 सेक्शन लगता था, वो हमने डाला, और जो वॉचमैन यहाँ पर लाया गया था उसको अरेस्ट किया उस केस में। और बाकी आगे का इन्वेस्टिगेशन अपने जैसे केस आगे चलता है उस हिसाब से किया।
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.